Let's create a new component in Angular. I'm going to create a new folder. You can also generate a component by using Angular CLI, but I'm going to do it manually. Let me show you how can I generate a new component. You have to create a new file, hero.component.ts. First, we need to create the TypeScript file, and I also need the template file, hero.component.html. So each component must have a template file. First of all, we need to import the component decorator from the Angular core library, angular/core. It should be component. Cool. Now we need to create a new class. Let me create the name is hero component. You must need to export this component. Here you can specify the title or whatever you want. Let's say hero component. So how can you tell the Angular this is a component? Now we have created the manual generic. It's a basic class here. It's a hero component. So we need to tell Angular, hey Angular, it's a component. Okay, we need to provide three properties. Selector. How can you use this selector? Let's say it's a hero. I'm gonna name it to the app-hero. You can choose any selector here. Template URL, or you can use inline template. Let's say you can use the inline template. I'll show you later inline template. Let's say I'm gonna use the template URL. I can get the hero.component.html file because I have created the HTML file. Now you need to specify the style URLs. I don't have style URLs. Let's create the style.css file, hero.component.css. Let's say I'm gonna name it color to red. Now we need to specify the CSS file, hero.component.css. It should be an array. You can provide the array of style sheets. Now it looks good. So this metadata requires three property: selector, template URL, and styles. So how can you use this hero component? So let me use this title property inside the hero component.html file. h1. Let's say I'm gonna use the string interpolation. I'll talk more about the string interpolation. Here I will specify the title. So I have already, my project is running. Let's try to test it. So how can you use this hero component? We have created the hero component, but I want to use that. So open the app component.html and get rid of this stuff. Let's say I want to use the hero. So we have created the tag is app hero. If you will check, the tag is app hero. Aha, the problem. Let me show you the problem. If you inspect the element, app hero is not a known element. So if you have created the Angular component, you must need to tell the Angular, hey, I have created the hero component. So you need to use this hero component. My VS Code editor has already imported the hero component from this path /hero.component, and we tell the Angular, hey, I have created the hero app component. So now I can use this hero app component inside the app module. Cannot resolve home.component.css. Let me check the path here inside the hero component. What is the name of the file? Oops, I need to use hero here. It's not an home. Boom, here we have hero component. You can change the name. Let's say my hero component. It will give you my hero component. You can update the class green. It will update the hero, my hero component.